What's up guys, my name is Amir and you are watching Phone Now. In this video, we will talk about Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus. In the previous month, Huawei sub-brand Honor had introduced Honor 8X and Honor 8X Max smartphones. Both phones have been rebranded and launched as Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus and Huawei ENJOY Max with some modified specs. In this video, we will talk about Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus, and in the next video, we will talk about Huawei ENJOY Max. That's why I recommend you to subscribe my channel. First, we talk about specifications and features of Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus. The Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus is fitted with a 6.5 inches IPS LCD screen. The notch display of smartphone produced 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution. The Kirin 710 chipset is present under the hood of device. There are two models of smartphone. The base model has 4 GB of RAM and 24 GB of storage, whereas the higher variant is occupied with 4 GB of RAM and inbuilt storage of 128 GB. The Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus has a micro SD card slot for additional storage. And the next one, software. The Android 8.1 Oreo OS that is overlaid with EMUI 8.2 skin comes pre-installed on the Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus. It is packed with 4000 mAh battery. The rear side of the phone feature f1.8 aperture 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera system. At the front there is also dual camera setup 16 megapixel with f2.0 aperture plus 2 megapixel, while the Honor 8X have a single selfie camera snapper 16 megapixel. The fingerprint scanner is available on the back side of the phone. It comes with connectivity feature like dual SIM, 4G, Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5 mm audio jack, micro USB and GPS. The ENJOY 9 Plus model 64 GB of storage plus 4 GB of RAM priced at $220, and the 128 GB of storage plus 4 GB of RAM priced at $250. The pre-sales of smartphone have already started. The 64 GB ENJOY 9 Plus will be available for buying from October 20, whereas the sales of 128 GB edition will begin from October 25. This was a short introduction of Huawei ENJOY 9 Plus. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Let me know about your thoughts. Leave a comment in comment section. If you have any suggestion for me for my channel, you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram pages. Links are given below in description. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Touch you in the next one. Amir out.